Sweet potatoes have many potential skincare benefits, including anti-aging. Sweet potatoes contain vitamin A, which can help prevent wrinkles, dryness, and sunburn. They also contain vitamin C, which helps produce collagen, a protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. Hydration. Sweet potatoes contain polysaccharides, which form a film on the skin to help lock in moisture. Antioxidant protection. Sweet potatoes contain vitamins C and E, which can help protect skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. Acne prevention. Vitamin A in sweet potatoes can help prevent clogged pores, inflammation, and discoloration. Skin texture. Beta-carotene in sweet potatoes breaks down into retinol, which can help improve skin texture and tone. The antioxidants and vitamins in sweet potatoes have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce skin redness and irritation, promoting clearer and healthier skin. Sweet potatoes are a good source of anthocyanins, which help in reducing hyperpigmentation and promoting an even skin tone. Sweet potato is rich in vitamin A. Vitamin A has properties that act as a skin barrier against discoloration, inflammation, and clogged pores that are often brought on by free radicals. If you're looking to clear up your acne or simply in search of a preventative measure, be sure to include sweet potatoes into your diet on a regular basis. Milk's natural humectant properties draw moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and supple. Milk's lactic acid content gently removes dead skin cells and unclogs pores. Milk's vitamins and antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Milk's antibacterial properties help combat acne-causing bacteria. Milk's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe and calm irritated skin. Cleansing and toning. Milk's natural enzymes and proteins help cleanse and tone the skin. Egg whites contain protein and collagen, which can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Egg whites contain vitamins and proteins that can help reduce acne. They also have antimicrobial properties that can help fight acne-causing bacteria. Egg whites contain water and function as a humectant, which helps bind water to the skin. Egg whites can help minimize pores and clear blackheads. Skin tightening. Egg whites can temporarily tighten the skin. Skin lifting. Egg whites can help lift the skin. All reduction. Egg whites can help reduce excess all.